Root has been achieved on Android 11. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And guess what? The developer of Magisk, John Woo, has achieved root on Android 11. Before we get into the actual video of me showing you that root is working, there will be a bunch of questions. Let me try to answer a few of them. What about safety net? Well, make sure you read the pinned comment about safety net FAQ. That should answer all your questions. If not, leave a comment on this video and I will try to answer your questions. Next up, what about modules? Well, do remember Android 11 is in developer preview stage right now, and the same applies for modules. Some modules might work, some might not work, so you have to wait for developers to fix those modules, and I'm pretty sure most of the developers will start working on their modules once Android 11 is officially out of beta stage. Those things out of the way, I do have the Poco F1, which is running a port of Android 11 developer preview 2, and there it is. If I click on the Android version, you can see that it is Android R. We can also go into settings, and then we can go into developer options, and if I scroll down, you will see that I have the option of enabling refresh rate. So here's the option, show refresh rate, and bam, I have the refresh rate on the top left, which is 60. So this is proof enough that this is not a build.prop edit or some Android 10 ROM which is saying that it is Android 11 or Android R. Next thing, here is a root checker application. As you can see, my device, which is being recognized as Pixel 4 XL right now because this ROM is a port from Pixel 4 XL, and it is Android 10 because I think the application has not updated to detect Android 11. So my device is not rooted right now, and I do not have any root application installed either. Next thing, what we're going to do is we'll boot into twerp recovery, standard process, turn your device off, press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till you see the twerp recovery boot logo. Once we have booted into twerp, we'll go into install, and now all you need to do is select the Magisk zip file which you have downloaded. In case you downloaded it on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. In my case, I have transferred it manually, so here it is. Select the file, swipe to confirm flash, wait for Magisk to do its thing, which is to flash Magisk super user access on our Android 11 device. And once the process has finished successfully, all we are going to do is just click on reboot system. There it is, the process has finished, reboot system, and now we are going to wait so that we can boot back into Android 11. Android developer preview in the building, click on OK, we can unlock our device, open the application drawer, and now we have to wait for the Magisk Manager application to show up. Sometimes it does take a few seconds for it to show up in the application drawer, and in case it does not show up, well, here it is, it just showed up. But in case the Magisk application does not show for you, you can always download the Magisk Manager APK and install it manually. Here it is, let us open Magisk Manager, and yes, you do have the new UI in the building. And now we can open our root checker application, and there it is, super user request, click on grant, bam, Pixel 4 XL is rooted, which means Android 11 was rooted successfully. We can also open another application, FX File Manager. I have enabled root access, and if I click on system root, there it is asking for root access authorization. Click on OK, and bam, there it is, super user request prompt. Click on grant, FX was granted super user rights. We can click on the lock on the top, I understand the risk, click on OK, and there it is, file system was remounted as read write, which means I should now be able to make modifications to my system partition. And there it is, peeps. That was just a little news for you peeps who love root access, that Android 11 has been rooted. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.